Hello, hi, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm so glad you're here. If this is the first time you're getting to enjoy my videos, you're welcome. Remember to subscribe, like, share, and comment, and stick around for more. For my YouTube fam, thank you for always being here. Today, I'm going to make an Ottoman from a paint bucket. Paint bucket, yes. So you can get the bucket from any hardware store around. I got most of my materials from Cucumber that include the foam and the fabric because I believe Cucumber is much more affordable. Let's get straight to the video, and guys, remember to subscribe and like.
Shine bright up all night, we're never slowing down. Fall in love, drunk mistakes, we're bound to hit the ground. Gotta keep this feeling, keep on breathing, even if we're slipping away. So I close my eyes and lose myself now. Do it like it's only today. We got a party for a lifetime. No, we ain't stopping for the sunrise. And we don't care about the bad nights. If for a second I can feel like this, make me feel like this.
I'm using Conta glue to stick the foam to the bucket, so you can get the Conta glue.
Young blood made of gold, a mind you can't control. Running wild, can't come down. My head is in the clouds. Gotta keep this feeling, keep on breathing, even if we're slipping away. So I close my eyes and lose myself now. Do it like it's only today. We got a party for a lifetime. No, we ain't stopping for the sunrise. And we don't care about the bad nights. And for a second I can feel like this, make me feel like this. We got a party.
Decided to go with 2 layers of foam because I realized with one it was a bit more thinner and you could feel the bucket still. So I decided to go. I'm going to mark where the buttons will be, so you can decide to do measurement, or you can decide to do like me. Like, I don't have any specific measurement. Making the pilot hole made it easier to do the button since my button had I picked the button that had strings on them, so it was easier, but you can opt not to do that. Cut the excess fabric, because I find that when you cut the excess fabric, it is easier to manage or to pin the remaining fabric rather than having to fold over and over again because the fabric is either too big or too unmanageable. So I use staple.
Drunk mistakes, we're bound to hit the ground.
As for the lid, I did two foam circles, if that makes sense. So I had run out of glue gun, so I used my glue sticks. Yeah, so that's what I did. I repeat the same. I did the fabric, stapled stapled the fabric to the plastic lid. Yeah, so and at the bottom I did like a bow stand. So guys, that's my final look. Remember to like this video, share, and thank you so much. Till next video, stay tuned and take care. Thank you.